You've seen them glowing like stars scattered through the grass, blinking in patterns, dancing in the dark. Fireflies, or lightning bugs, have fascinated humans for centuries. But how do these tiny insects produce light inside their bodies? Without any wires, batteries, or heat? It's not magic, it's biochemistry, and it's called chemiluminescence. Chemiluminescence is a phenomenon where a chemical reaction produces light, without generating much or any heat. Unlike light bulbs, which emit heat along with light, fireflies produce what's called cold light. This makes them far more efficient than any man-made light source. In fact, firefly light is nearly 90 to 98% efficient, meaning almost all the energy is converted into visible light. The light comes from a special organ in the abdomen of the firefly, often called the lantern. This organ contains cells packed with 4 key ingredients: luciferin, a molecule that acts like the fuel; luciferase, an enzyme that catalyzes the reaction; ATP, or adenosine triphosphate, which provides energy for the chemical process; and oxygen, absorbed from the air and directed precisely to the cells. Here's how the reaction works, step by step. First, luciferin reacts with ATP to become activated luciferin. Next, this activated luciferin then combines with oxygen, catalyzed by luciferase. The result? An excited molecule that releases a photon of visible light when it returns to its ground state. It's essentially a mini chemical reactor inside a bug, glowing with each reaction cycle. Unlike a steady light bulb, fireflies can blink and flash in unique rhythms. They do this by controlling the flow of oxygen to their light-producing cells. When oxygen is restricted, the light turns off. When oxygen flows in again, the chemical reaction resumes and the firefly glows. This on-off control happens extremely fast, within milliseconds. So why do fireflies light up at all? It's not just for show, it's all about communication, mating signals. Each firefly species has a unique flash pattern. Males use this to attract females. Defense mechanism. The light can also warn predators, basically saying, "I taste bad." Species recognition. Some fireflies mimic other species' flash patterns to lure and eat them. Yes, there are cannibal fireflies. Scientists study firefly bioluminescence not just out of curiosity, but for medical and technological applications. Luciferase is used in labs to track cells, detect diseases, and even develop glow-in-the-dark plants. Nature's designs are inspiring future lighting and energy technologies. So, the next time you see a firefly lighting up the summer night, just know that behind that little blink is a marvel of evolution, a natural fusion of chemistry, biology, and beauty. No batteries, no heat, just a perfect pulse of light in the darkness. Isn't that